morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the in 8th class the sound lesson. Another topic. The topic name is the musical instrument. Okay, na. First of all, what is the use of the musical instrument and where was we use the musical instrument? What is the topic name? Musical. What is the topic name? Musical instruments. First of all, what is the definition of the music? What is the definition of the music? The sound which are pleasant to hear this. The sounds which are pleasant to hear the sound. That is called for the music. What is the definition of the music? The sounds which are pleasant to hear this. Hearing the all sounds, that type of sounds are called for the music. What is the definition of the music? The sounds which are hearing to the pleasant. Pleasant means very cool, very cool. Okay, na. So what is the definition of the music? The sounds which are pleasant to hear the sounds. That types of sounds is called for the music. That sound called the music. So you might have observed the many musical instruments like a tabla, veena, next flute, next clarinet and clarinet, tabla, clarinet, tabla, veena, flute, clarinet, next guitar and mridangam. These are the examples of the musical instrument. Okay, na. You might have observed the many musical instruments in our surroundings like functions. Okay, na. So tabla, veena, flute, clarinet, guitar and mridangam and also harmonium. So these are the names of the musical instrument. Okay, na. First of all, what is the definition of the music? The sound which are pleasant to hear the all sound, that is called for the music. That is called for the name this telling about the musical instrument. Tabla, veena, flute, clarinet, guitar, mridangam and harmonium. These all musical instruments are produce the sound. Okay, na. So all musicals, different musical instruments produce different musics. The sounds produced by the instruments are distinct. All instruments are produce the sound by distinct. Distinct means all instruments are play the different types of the sounds, and it is easy for to identify the which sound is coming from the which instrument. Okay, na. Which sound is coming from the which instrument, identify them. Okay, na. So today what is the topic name? Musical instrument. First of all, what is the definition of the music? The sound which are pleasant to hear the all sounds are called for the music. Examples of the musical instrument: tabla, veena, flute, clarinet, and guitar, mridangam and harmonium. These are the examples of the musical instruments. All musical instruments are produce the different sounds depending on the mode of the vibrations. Again, these musical instruments are divided into three categories. First of all, string type instrument. Next finger type instrument. type instruments, and also precautions type of the instruments, precautions instruments type of the musical instruments. Percussions, not precaution, percussions. Percussion. Percussion type instrument. Percussion type instruments. Again, the musical instruments are divided into three types. String type instrument. String type means where is a vena and guitar. Vena and guitar. These are the string type of the instrument. Okay, now which instruments are divided into three categories? String type instrument. String type instrument are the first of all vena. We are playing the string type instrument. Vena. Next guitar. Second one guitar. Okay, now next finger type. Finger type means flute and clarinet. Flute and clarinet. We are using the 8 columns of the fingers. 8 columns of the finger. Finger type instruments. Finger type instruments. That is the flute. Flute. Next clarinet. Flute and clarinet. Next percussion type of instrument. Percussion means only to play the hand wise. That is called for the tabla and mridangam. Harmonium also finger type. Harmonium also finger type. Harmonium also finger type instrument. Next percussion type of instrument like a tabla. Next mridangam. Tabla and mridangam. These are the types of the musical instruments and depending on their situation. First of all, string type instrument like a vena and guitar. Next, finger type instrument, flute and clarinet and harmonium. Next, percussion type of the instrument like a tabla and mridangam. These are the musical instrument names and their divided into categories. Okay, now mainly they divided into 3 categories. First, stringed type. Stringed means one wire is there, so that is a vena and guitar. Okay, now these are the only using the functions type. Next, marriages, so many functions. Next, finger type instruments like 8 columns, flute and clarinet and harmonium. Next, percussion type of the instrument, tabla and mridangam. First of all, I ask the one question: how to prove that sound has one type of how do they produce the sound? How do they produce the sound? They produce the sound by to the vibration. Next, which type of the instruments are same 2 types? Vena and guitar is a stitching type instruments. Next, flute and clarinet are only using the finger type instruments. And tabla and mridangam percussion type instrument. Now I am telling about the name the instrument and vibrating part. Okay, now next, name of the instrument, vibrating part. Okay, now first of all, name of the instrument. Next, vibrating part. Okay, now so first of all, I will take the tabla. Okay, tabla is the membrane. Tabla. So tabla is a membrane and inside the hollow membrane air inside hollow body and hollow body. Okay na. Tabla was the membrane and air inside the hollow body. It is the tabla. Okay na. So it is called for the tabla. So upper side of membrane is there and air inside the hollow body. Next vena. String fixed on the hollow wooden board. String fixed on the hollow body. Tabla, vena. Vena is which type of instrument? String fixed on the hollow body. Next, flute. Flute is which type of instrument? Air columns. Depends on the air columns. Air columns. Next, clarinet. Clarinet also depending on the air columns. Next, guitar. Guitar also string fixed on the guitar. So guitar also string fixed on the hollow body. Guitar also string fixed on the hollow body. Next one, mridangam. Mridangam also string fixed on the hollow body. These are the name of the instrument and vibrating part. It. Okay, first of all, tabla. Tabla is the one membrane in air inside the hollow body. Next, vena, string fixed on the whole hollow body. Flute is the air columns. Next, clarinet means air columns. Next, guitar, string fixed on the hollow body. Mridangam also string fixed on the hollow body. Okay na. The musical instrument likely divided into three types. First of all, string type instruments. Vena, guitar and mridangam. Next, finger type instruments. Finger type means flute, clarinet. Next, percussion types of the instrument. Tabla and percussion type of tabla. Okay na. And palaka. So these are the percussion type of the instrument. So today we are discussing about what is the topic name? Musical instrument. First of all, what is the definition of the music? The sound which are pleasant to hear the sound. That is called for the music. Next, the name to some musical instrument names. Vena, tabla, flute, clarinet, guitar, mridangam. Mainly, the musical instruments are divided into three category types. First one is the string type instrument, finger type instrument, and percussion type instrument. String type instruments means vena, guitar, and mridangam. Finger type instruments means finger type flute and clarinet. And percussion type instruments means tabla, okay na, and palaka. So these are the examples of the musical instrument. Okay na. First of all, what is the definition of the pitch? The sharpness of the sound is known as the pitch. What is the definition of the pitch? The sharpness of sound is known as the pitch. Next, fable. Sound of the low amplitude is called sound of the low amplitude is called for the fable. Next, shrill. Sound of the higher shrillness. Sound of the higher frequency is known as the shrillness. Next, frequency. The number of the vibrations for 1 second is called for the frequency. What is the definition of the frequency? Frequency. The number of vibrations for 1 second is known as frequency. What is the definition of frequency? The number of vibrations for 1 second is known as the frequency. Shrillness. Shrillness means the higher sound of the higher frequency of the produce the shrillness. Higher frequency produce the shrillness. Higher frequency of the shrillness. Okay na? So today we are topic name how to prove the musical instrument like a veena, mridangam, tabla and these are. Okay na? Okay, thank you.